So the roller riffles are positioned back to back for getting more flour, right? Yes, back to back is for wheat, point to point is for rye. Now we're adjusting the mill. The grains inlet opens. The grains move to the soft scouring machine, where dust, dirt, remaining impurities, or surface contaminants are removed. After the scouring machine, the grains move on to the pneumatic separator, where the remains of hull and shell are removed by the airflow. After the pneumatic separator, the grains move on through the sluice gate. Magnet separators are installed before and after the roller mill. Then the roller mill, RM, with 2 milling systems. Roller sets 3 and 4 make up one milling system. Roller sets 1 and 2 make up another milling system. And PCS, pneumatic centrifugal screening, comprises sifters. The scouring machines, which operate together with the cleaning system, are turned on the last, as there is no grain yet. This is for preventing grain to get into the milling compartment before it starts to rotate. After starting, the system is ready for operation. Starting order of the mill. Audible warning signal. Start. Roller mills 3-4, roller mills 1-2, PCS scouring machines. Extra quality. Flat cakes just from the traditional tan door, baked of ECOMILL 1500 standard flour.